In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify Inventory Management Tutorial for Beginners, How to Manage Inventory on Shopify, 2025. Managing your store's inventory efficiently is crucial to ensuring smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a quick refresher on how to handle product inventories, this tutorial is the perfect guide for you. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Shopify store's admin panel. On the left side of the panel, you'll notice a navigation menu. From here, go ahead and click on Products. This will lead you to a page featuring an overview of all the products in your store. Alongside the Products tab, you'll find another option labeled Inventory. Click on Inventory to proceed. On the Inventory page, you'll see a list of products for which you've enabled inventory tracking. This list is crucial because it lets you oversee the available stock of your items and make informed decisions about reordering and fulfillment. If you don't see any products listed here, don't worry. It simply means you haven't enabled inventory tracking for your products yet, or there are no products added. In that case, go back to the Products section to view a full list of items you offer. To enable inventory tracking for a product, select a particular item from your products list that you wish to manage. Once you're on the product's detail page, look for the option to enable inventory tracking. This can typically be found in the sections related to product details or stock information. If you're adding a new product, it's a good idea to activate the inventory tracking feature straight away. This way, you'll be able to monitor stock levels from the moment the product enters your store. Once you've ensured that inventory tracking is activated for the products you wish to monitor, go back to the inventory page. Here, you can see and manage your stock levels effectively. The inventory page displays values like available and on hand, which indicate the stock status of each product. To maintain accurate records, you can update these values whenever you have new stock, run sales, or manage returns. For ease of management, Shopify allows you to edit multiple products at once. Simply select the products you wish to modify and choose the bulk edit option. This can be a real-time saver if you need to adjust pricing, inventory levels, or other details for several products simultaneously. Alternatively, you can also focus on a specific product by clicking on it and making necessary changes to its inventory, price, shipping details, and more. And there you have it. You've just walked through the basic steps of managing inventory on Shopify. With these tools and strategies, you can maintain up-to-date stock information and streamline your store operations effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing!